first known use of cannabis was discovered in China and Taiwan. And it was so integral to life there that it was named one of the top 5 grains. So that goes along with rice, barley, millet, and soybean. Word ma, which is the Chinese character for hemp, is 3,000 years old. That's really, really old. The word marijuana could have come from the Chinese immigrants who called the plant ma ren hua, which is directly translated means hemp seed flower. Historically, cannabis has been used as a food source, to fiber, to medicine, and the Chinese were the first to use it as an anesthetic during surgery. We're talking about this and we realize this is something that we need to bring to light, and we need to, tie our roots in cannabis to traditional Chinese medicine in order to create more of a cultural access to the